we apply heat to the device to remove the battery cover. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. Use a ultra-thin plastic card to soften the adhesive. We remove the back cover. We eject the SIM tray and the micro SD tray. We release the screws from the top of the device. Very carefully, we are going to remove the middle frame. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. Here we have the motherboard flex cable. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. We remove the battery. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process.